The G5 has a 180-degree movable head. The side clip can be moved to the front or the back so that the light can attach to a bag, belt or cap. And the clip can be tucked away neatly at the side when not in use. The magnetic base allows it to be mounted to any metal surface. A charging indicator that shows red when charging and turns blue when fully charged. Hold down the side button for 2 seconds to see battery level. From off, double-click the button to start the alternating red-blue flash. Double-click again to change to red-green and then red and yellow. To cancel, press the button once. To use the main light from off, click the button once. Scroll the wheel up to increase brightness. It blinks once when at maximum. Scroll the wheel down to reduce brightness and blinks once when at the lowest. Double-click to instantly go to maximum. Single-click to cancel. From the main light, hold down the button for 2 seconds to turn on the RGB light. Scroll the wheel up or down to select through the full RGB range of colors. Select any color and double-press the button to start a beacon flashing in that color. So which features do you think you will use the most? Let us know in the comments below.